this all right?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, that's funny.
It's Sharon fanning her with Cleopatra. And I'm telling Cheryl behind the camera, okay, now look at the jewels, and oh.
She's directing
There
us.
she is with her crook and flail. And here I am, the prince. No, thank you. She's no good. I'm gonna kill her. Yeah. She says, no. My best
That's
friend.
so
What do
funny.
you mean you can't kill her? Oh, no, I'm so angry. Oh, Jesus.
I forgot. Oh, this is coming back to me now.
And I'm going to bed at night. I'm very disappointed I couldn't kill her. I'm thinking,
You're dreaming about it.
we have got to kill Cleopatra. That's what it is.
Okay, I have an idea.
This is what we're going to do. We're going to kill Cleopatra and steal all the jewelry. Meanwhile, back at the palace, here's Cleopatra looking at her beautiful jewels. And the next day at the palace, she touches the jewelry, and the queen gets very mad and upset with her. Ah! Look how she dies, isn't that fantastic? And here I come, and I got the throne, and I got the girl too. I told Sharon to look like she stepped over Cheryl, but Cheryl was running the camera. Oh, look at this, dear. We got all this just for you. What do you think? Isn't that wonderful? Oh, look. Isn't that great? You betcha. Bam.
Oh, jeez.
Whee! How do you like that?